One of the unique capability of the VBOUT agency layer is the ability to rebrand, but also to customize your own plans and pricing. Let me show you how you can do that in VBOUT using the custom plan builder. From the top right of the screen under your drop down, you're going to see Partner Portal, an option only available for partners. And then you'll notice there's My Custom Plans right here. Make sure this is included under your plan. If not, speak to your success manager. Now here you have an Add Plan button. I can click that, and now I'm prompted with the Plan Builder. The first thing is the plan name. You can get creative here. You can call it Starter. You can call it Growth. Just don't be boring here if you are sharing names and front-end pages with your customers. Plan IDs are important for doing upgrades and downgrades. So if I have 5 plans, plan 1 can upgrade to 2 and 2 to 3. So these are just for that purpose. Obviously, the cheaper the plan, the lower the number, the more expensive, the higher the number. Plan description can be for your own reference. You can leave it empty. And you can disable those plans, of course. There are some important menu items here. One of them is if you don't want your clients signing up on these plans to access billing, this is going to hide any invoicing, upgrading, downgrading, as well as the add-ons. Settings will also limit access to some important aspect of the system, like creating integrations, doing the white label options, and other aspects. So I highly encourage you to use this if you want to give the absolute minimum access to billing and settings. And finally, you can use your own agency billing account. And this is a really important feature that we recently launched, because if you're an agency and you have front-facing registration plans, what you can do is you can update your agency card on file, and any person in the future that come in through the system, you will pay us for that plan and you can bill them separately. So this is one of the features we have to control each account's billing. All right, don't get too concerned about this. If you want each of them to have different profiles, different credit cards, you simply tick this off and let them configure it. There's an option here to copy campaign asset. I'll be covering this in another segment, but campaign assets are like folders inside which you can put landing pages and email designs. So the moment somebody signs up to the starter plan, you can immediately inherit all those assets and add them to their account. So it's almost like you've pre-provisioned their assets for them. A great feature for agencies working with different verticals that are kind of similar in the way they run campaigns. Okay. If you leave it empty, their account will be created without any assets. Okay, they could obviously start from a blank slate. Now here's where I'm going to begin creating the plans. First, I'm going to add a feature. VBOUT offers a wealth of features between the automation, the email, landing pages, and everything else you see here. So you can pick and choose what you like. Okay, they're broken down by add-ons and by main features, so you have them displayed this way. And you can begin by choosing, let's say, email marketing. Now notice the secondary drop down here. This gives you pre-configured slab. So what you see here, starting from a free tier up to 1,000 emails sent per month. And by the time you're watching this, pricing might have changed. This option might not be available. So please speak to your account manager to see where these plans are. We are continuously changing things, but the moment you're on the platform, you get grandfathered into the pricing, which is a good thing. Now, if you want to start with a free tier, no problem. I'm going to go ahead and add it. So what I've done now is create a base plan that allows for email marketing at 1,000 email limit per month. There's no cost associated to you. You see everything here is at $0. Okay. You can go ahead and sell this at $50 if you want. And you'll notice you're going to pocket $48. Now, why there's a $1.75 fee? It's because the client's going to pay us. We pay for processing, credit card processing, which is pretty expensive nowadays. And then we're going to give you the full reimbursement of the remainder. And we have many agencies that are really loving this, and they're making tons of money off that. Okay. I can add another feature here. For example, I can do landing pages. And here you'll see I have 2 free, 5, 10, and unlimited. If I do unlimited, then the account's going to have unlimited landing page potential. versus if I cap it at 5, they can only create up to 5 landing pages. All right, now you can control the pricing again, in which case, let's say you want to make this now $75. We're gonna deduct our $9.95, but because you're a preferred partner, on top of this modular pricing, you're getting 10% off. So don't get too caught up with the calculations. We are doing it for you. At the end of the day, you're paying a price that nobody on the front end can pay. All right, and that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and create that plan. And here we go. You have the name, you have the entire feature set, okay? Your total is $9.95, but there's also 10% off that. It's level 1, 0 clients on it, and you have the registration link right here, which can be shared. Now, it doesn't show a white label option, so if I click it, it's going to display everything VBOUT branded. But in the previous section, I showed you how you can white label this. So that means what I can do here is this. Change it to my own white label link. Portal dot. And that's just a sample domain that I set up on the white label option. And now it's going to inherit my logo. It's going to inherit my backgrounds. And everything is branded to me. I even let you control the terms and services links and privacy links. So if you don't want them to be pointing to you, what you can do here is scroll up to the top, edit settings, and change those plans, terms of links, and your own. Okay, so this obviously have to reside on your own URLs. Okay, I can even do things like what happens when people sign up. I can add them to my own default lists, and I can start sending them my own version of onboarding. So this way, VBOUT is not going to be emailing them anything. You are fully in charge of what happens next. Okay, and you can create as many plans as you want. There's no cap on here. Just make sure you name them properly, you set up the right limits, and you're pretty much in control of the entire stack. Instead of selling everything here, you can modularize the platform as you see fit. All right, this is it. Thank you so much. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your clients, add clients, and control different accounts.